How to disable your Instagram account temporarily. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable your Instagram account temporarily. So for that, just open your Instagram account and log into your account. And after that, just click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, just click on the three dots icon at the top right. And after that, just go to settings and privacy. And here on the search bar, just search for deactivate. And after that, just click on deactivation or deletion. And here just select the account that you want to deactivate temporarily. And here you will read the instructions, and it will say that the reactivation of your account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden or on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. So you can go ahead and click on continue, and there your Instagram ID will be temporarily disabled. So this is how you will be able to disable your Instagram account temporarily. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.